This is Jennifer with CroppMetcalfe Services. I'm going to show you today how to clean your easy trap. You'll want to do this if you're experiencing no cooling, and this way we may not have to come out for a service call. For a heat pump system, pull the disconnect to remove power from the system. For a furnace, turn off the light switch, usually mounted on the furnace or near it. Step 1. Remove the float switch from the easy trap. Next, have a cup or bowl ready when removing the cap. Remove the brush from the holder and insert all the way in until it stops. Then push the brush through the easy trap. Return the brush to the holder. Replace the cap. Reinsert the float switch. Lightly push down on the center to make sure the float is down. Reapply power.